like yours, but the long one.
Oh, okay. You know how loud it was?
I just was passing by now.
Hold on, Greg. Let me come on that side. Okay, okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
Let me help him out.
My front end's. No. You gonna check?
Oh, it's not playing?
My front end's not playing. Trying to pop my eardrums?
No, it's not bad.
Oh, okay. Heard that.
I was just over there. Bass only?
Can't see the front end. Front end ain't shutting off.
Bass head problems.
Right?
RCA come out?
Yeah.
That'll do it.
There we go. Okay.
Oh yeah, we're back in business now. We're gonna have some high end now. Gonna have to put some gator tightening on them RCA right, so it won't fall out.
Alright.
Now we're back in business.
Back. Didn't need a full plug.
Alright, shut the door. Here we go. Here we go. This is gonna make for another good video. Your other one got about 100,000 views on it. That's what we're talking about.
Shit go hard as fuck. 815s.
10-15s. 10-15s. Oh, it's only 8? What?
10 was shield.
Oh, that's right. Now you went down to 8. That's right. That's right. My bad.
Shit, that hurt my fucking
Boy, hit with a choker. Choke. Oh, I was in there when he was when he was running in the lanes. He was killing me.
You guys want to try? No?
Get on in there.
Alright. It's not that bad.
What do you think about that, man?
I sure went hard as fuck. I couldn't breathe. Chest.
Come on, get on in there. Not too bad?
Nah, that was great. That was loud.
Coming down your block, knocking pictures off the walls. On Front Street, Ryan bagging bitches out